Have you ever heard about this mask? This is a Cuman warrior helmet. But who are the Cumans? A nomadic tribe living in this region between 10th and 13th century. It was called Cumania by the European sources, but according to the dictionary written in Cuman language in Crimea in the late 13th century Codex Cumanicus, it refers to the language as Bu Tatar Tili, which translates as this is a Tatar language. As you can see on this map, it says Cuman Kipchak Confederation. Some scholars believe that Cumans and Kipchaks are the same people. However, some claim they are not identical. They are just closely related, just like today's Turkic peoples. Same, but different. So recently I made a video with this mask and I received an interesting comment claiming that only the Kipchak people have the right to use this mask. But let me just remind you, this is a Cuman warrior helmet. And by the way, the most prominent examples of these masks were found in Crimea and the regions around it. So let's be respectful to each other's heritage.